Hi friends, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. Welcome to Spring MVC tutorial. In the earlier video we saw session attribute. In this video I'm going to talk about what is the role of a validator in Spring MVC. I'll show you the application that I have written for explaining this validator. So I want to add a hotel here. Okay, I want to miss this. I don't want to enter name and address because there is a validator I have written. So validator will validate the name and the address. Okay, so the moment I click add, you can see here hotel name field is missing, hotel address field is missing. So these two fields I didn't enter at all. These two fields I didn't enter. So that's why in the server side I've used Spring Validator to validate these two fields. Okay, let me show you how exactly it works while debugging. So again I'm going to enable this debugging. Then I'm going to miss this. I'm not going to enter name and address, and hotel type I'm going to enter. Then the number of rooms I'll enter. Okay, now the moment I click add, you can see the debug point goes here. I have written a hotel validator. Hotel validator implements validator which is from the Spring framework. Okay, so it has two methods. By default we have to implement validate and supports. In this method I'm going to pass my object and the errors object, and again errors is from the Spring framework. So from my controller I'll be calling this method. I'm going to call this method. I'm going to pass the hotel object which I prepared in the UI. Okay, now when I do F6, it goes here. We are getting the object again. Then it will check whether the hotel name is empty or not. Hotel name is empty, actually the length is 0, so it will add the error messages. Okay, we have got the error message. Then it also validates the address. Then it will add the name of the attribute and the corresponding error message. If there is a property file, from the property file it will be reading. If there is no property file, it will take the default message. Okay, if you see this default reject value, it says it takes string. First one is the attribute name, property message, property key, then here the default message. Okay, so now we are filling these errors. Now when it goes here, we are checking here for binding result. If the binding result has errors, then return the same model view, and you can see hotel name field is missing and hotel address field is missing. Just want to mention about the HTML file where I have the style. I mentioned the style here. Then in each of this table I have Spring form. Whenever there is an error, it's going to show the corresponding error in the table. Okay, for name and address I have added this Spring form : errors. So that's how we are able to get this hotel name field is missing. Just now I talked about role of validator in Spring MVC. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.